Hello students, today we are going to learn a new concept, complex number. Before moving towards complex number, let's solve some quadratic equations. Equation number first is x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now just write this term minus 4 to the right side of equation. We get x square is equal to 4. Now taking square root of both sides, we get x is equal to plus minus 2. Means roots of this equation are plus 2 and minus 2. Let's solve one more example. X square plus 4 is equal to 0. In example number first, there is a minus sign between x square and 4. But in equation number 2, there is a plus sign between x square and 4. Now just write this plus 4 term to right side of the equation. We get x square is equal to minus 4. Taking square root of both sides, we get x is equal to plus minus under root minus 2. Now just write this number 2 outside the square root and write number 1 inside the square root. We get x is equal to plus minus 2 into under root minus 1, and the value under root minus 1 can be replaced by small letter I. So here we get two values of x which are plus 2i and minus 2i, and these are the roots of equation x square plus 4. Let's see one more equation. X square plus 3 is equal to 0. Here also write this number plus 3 to right side of equation. We get x square is equal to minus 3. Now taking square root of both sides, we get x is equal to plus minus under root minus 3. Now just write this number 3 outside the square root and write the number 1 inside the square root. We get x is equal to plus minus 3 into under root minus 1. Then the value root minus 1 can be replaced by small letter I. So we get x is equal to plus minus 3i. That means roots of this equation are plus 3i and minus 3i. So the number under root minus 1 is called as imaginary unit, and it is always denoted by letter small I. It is also called as iota. The new concept of imaginary unit arises here, which is called as iota, and it is denoted by letter small I. Then the value of I is given as under root minus 1. The value of I square becomes square of under root minus 1, which becomes minus 1. The value of I cube is given as minus 1 into under root minus 1, which is nothing but minus I. So, any number of the form z is equal to a plus ib is called as complex number. Here a and b are real numbers. I is called as iota and its value is given as under root minus 1. The variable z is called as complex variable. Thus, the complex number can be given as combination of real part and imaginary part. Here, z is equal to a plus ib. A is called as real part of Z and IB is called as imaginary part of Z.